Hi there, students. Genteel. Genteel. Genteel is an adjective. Okay. Genteel means typically of a high social class. So I really like this example. She took elocution lessons to try and make her accent sound more genteel. Notice as well, genteel, being very polite, being gentle, being graceful, as in having all the qualities of a gentleman. Genteel, calm and gentle. So, yes, it's a more genteel version of American football. Okay, more gentlemanly. Yeah, they say that cricket should be a genteel game. Well, now there's lots of money in it. I think maybe not. So, genteel, polite and correct in manner, trying to be polite in order to appear from a good class. So, um, he tried to show everybody that he was very genteel by using the most genteel table manners, but it came over as rather affected. Yeah, so genteel, refined, respectable, polished, proper. Um, Okay, so genteel, elegant, relating to the gentry or the upper class. So he had a very genteel upbringing. He went to a public school and then to a good university. Yeah, he had very genteel manners, polite, without any vulgarity or rudeness. Um, let's see, in some dictionaries I've seen that they say that genteel has an idea of exaggerated politeness. It sounds very it's very affected. Yeah, it's more than should be, but I don't think I would use genteel in this in this way. I would use genteel only as a positive word, refined and polite. Um, okay, so typical or characteristic of the higher classes: elegant, stylish, and fashionable. Yeah, a genteel old lady, well bred, respectable, and polite. Very genteel behavior. Okay, so refined, cultured, well mannered, elegant, formal, gentlemanly, respectable, polite, courteous, well bred, ladylike, well mannered. Yeah, civil, courteous as well. Um, let's see, genteel. When I say it's excessive, excessively prim and proper, maybe you could, I don't know, the pictures that he drew were all terribly genteel, but didn't have any originality or life to them. Yeah, so genteel, of the middle classes. um a genteel town in the southeast of England, like Winchester, for example. Yeah. His friends laughed at him because he was always so genteel. Yeah. So a genteel person, respectable, well mannered, seems to come from a good social class. They're refined. They know how to behave. Yeah. Maybe in an old fashioned way, but I wouldn't use it as a criticism. Yeah. I think it's having good taste, but good taste, old fashioned taste, the refinement associated with polite society, elegant and fashionable, refined and polite. Okay, so you need to be genteel, but without going over the top. Be nice to people. Okay, formality, genteel. This is not such a common word. Um, I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. You could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. A semi-formal writing, it sounds a little bit literary. Use it in a semi-formal writing is a good context to use it in, or something literary or something very formal. So, genteel, aristocratic, stylish, elegant, polite, well-mannered, refined. And then, as to origin, it comes through French, gentil, a gentile or nice and pleasant, from Latin, gentilis, people belonging to the same nation, from gens, a clan, a tribe, or family. Okay, so genteel. Yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with being genteel. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Genteel.